How I assemble my planners. Once I have printed all the pages of the planner, I gather them in a cardstock page for the back. Then I make sure all the pages are level. I use paper clips to make sure they stay even. I use strips of cardboard to make sure the pages are not dented during drying. I then apply a generous amount of glue to the top edge of the pages. This part can get a little messy. In the past, I've tried to apply the glue with a brush, but I found that the brush didn't work well. I'm looking into a foam brush in the future, but for now my fingers seem to do the trick. I then let the glue dry for 10 minutes. Once dry, I remove the clips and the planner is ready to use.